Zebra Printer Setup Guide. Plug in your SIM router. Turn on your devices and connect to your router's Wi-Fi. Download Check-in app. Plug in and set up your printer. Plug in the power cord and LAN cable to the printer. Turn on the printer until the indicators illuminate. After 30 seconds, green indicator lights will on and it means printer is ready. Now, open the printer by pulling the side release latches. Then, adjust the media sensor to detect the black mark on the badge. You can insert your stock through the slot at the rear of the printer, feeding the edge with the black line into the printer slot first. Make sure black line go first and face down. Connect your device and printer. Open app and scan event QR code. The QR code can be found in portal. Open printer setting. Turn on the button and select the printer. There will be an IP address under the printer name. Copy and paste in a browser. Click View and modify printer settings. Enter your password 1234. Click General Setup. Ensure the printer setup is shown on the screen. Back to View and modify printer settings. Click Media Setup. Ensure the media setup is shown on the screen. After that, click Submit Changes. Save temporarily. Need to save again. Click Save Current Configuration. Save successfully. Go back to printer and do calibration. Press and hold pause and cancel buttons for 2 seconds. Calibration will start. Printer will go through few badges to read the black mark. If success, the printer will cut the badge. Go back to app and test print. Click Test Printing for trial. If you find everything is okay, congratulations, you can use your printer now.